And her dog.
You want to repeat that again?
Remember how skinny she was?
Oh my god.
You're a little fat bird. Got some meat on your bones.
She's a happy bird. She wasn't too happy when we first brought her here. Now she's happy. She gets all the food she wants because she figured out where her food is. She has her water. She figured out where her water's at. You know, she figured it out pretty good. And she just rings that thing all damn day. There's Tesla right there. She's exhausted from doing nothing all day. And yeah, that's it.